everyone. My name is Alex, founder and CEO of GMI Cloud. We're announcing our Scale program, which is a 4-week equity-free startup program focusing on companies that want to scale. On top of that, we also recently announced our Gigawatt factory in Japan. That's right, it's 1,000 megawatt AI factory for planetary scale intelligence.
A general perspective, the reason why for that gap exists is a shift towards the fabric that we're scheduling. We have 130 TB per second, 5th generation NVLink fabric built in those NVIDIA 72. According to our benchmark, this machine is currently more efficient than standalone servers, and especially more efficient in a inferencing system like you actually involve more than 8 GPU cards.
When most of us are creating with AI today, it turns out that there are probably 5 different tools that you need to use, and also model providers, and also a workflow that only exists in your head if you wanted to create something big.